YouTube, this is Andrea here, and I am doing a My Ring collection. This was a requested video. The two that was based on the request were these two here, and so I'll start with those. This is a Marquise cut. Just so that you know, all of these rings that you see here, except for this one and this one, I'm sorry, this one and this one, were purchased at palmbeachjewelry.com, and the link is down below. And then these two were purchased at this one at HSN and this one at QVC. Okay. Alright, so let's get back to this. This is a Marquise cut CZ. Very beautiful. I love this ring. It's nice and large because I can put it, you know, just about anywhere on both fat hands. It's actually too big for this finger, but I could put it on my middle finger there, or my pointer. But that's what it looks like on, underneath, and then right up close. There we go. Alright, so that's that one. One of my favorites. This one is a Panther, and I love, love, love this ring. It's one of my absolute favorites, and I recently got it, so I know they still have them in stock. But isn't that gorgeous? I love this ring. It's so pretty. And there's the back, and up close. This one, it was my ring, one of my go-to rings for when I cut hair, because I was a cosmetologist for many, many years, and I've had this ring for cutting hair so I wouldn't cut my knuckles, but I wore this ring to death. I think I even bent it. So it was just one of those things. You had to have something nice and long but comfortable. This is one of my other favorites, and it is the coral. When they came out with this ring, I jumped right on it. That's what it looks like on the sides. And up close. Okay. This one I got from Palm Beach as well, and I just thought it was so adorable. It reminded me of rings my grandmother used to wear. And here's the back. There's the side. Isn't that pretty, how that side looks? So anyway, it's one of my other favorites. This is another one that the other type my grandmother used to wear. She always had a gold onyx diamond ring, always. Growing up, I used to try to take it from her. So this is kind of in remembrance, and this is why I bought this one. Side and the back. Alright. This one I absolutely adored. I had always wanted one like this, and I think I wore it to death as well. And I mean, it's almost silver. That's how much I wore this one. There's the side. Okay, this one here I got. It was so beautiful in the magazine, I had to have it. And this is the one that pretty much sits in my jewelry box, because I really don't go anywhere fancy, so that's why it sits in there. But you know, when I do, I wear it. Excuse me. Here's the side. And then the back. Right up close. close. Okay. This is another one of those, I just had to have it. I had always wanted something like this, where the CZ sits on top. So that's this one. It's got a wider band. And normally I don't have wide band rings. I just never really got used to them. My mother wears cigar band rings, and she loves them. And there's the sitting up close. Alright, this one is a pearl and CZ ring. Again, one of my favorites. I do wear this one quite a bit. And I do have a pearl bracelet. I just don't wear it as often as I do the ring. So there's this side. There's the back. And up close. Okay. And then another one of my favorites. You guys see this ring probably more than the rest. I love this ring. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Those are CZs, not diamonds. Of course, if I had diamonds like this, I would be a millionaire. Okay, and then my last two. This is a band, and I wear it on my thumb. And it has CZs as well. And I wear it quite a bit as well. I love that one. Then there's this one, which is also a midi ring. This one is rose gold over sterling silver. And I love this one. It's so blingy. I do have some costume rings, costume jewelry that I wear, and I will show you those. This is one I got out of a jewelry jar. I really like that one. It looks like 2 rings, but it's just one. So I like that. And it sits up just a little bit, not too high. Then I got this one from Avon long time ago. Long. It's a pinky ring. That's how high it sits up. Okay. This band I got out of a jewelry jar just recently. Put it over here. It's pretty wide. And this band I got out of a jewelry jar recently. And it's copper and silver. Okay. And then this one I got out of a jewelry jar. I love this one. This is so cute. I wear it on my middle finger like that. How pretty is that? And it's not 3, it's just 1. Then I like this one as well. It's brass, or not brass, bronze and silver. And I like that one. It's also a midi ring or knuckle ring, however you want to call it. And then this one is sterling silver, and it's just a simple ring. I like simple as well as gaudy. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and it answered your questions about, you know, where I get my rings. And if you have any other questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for your request to see my rings. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.